Hey guys, it's me Stacy. Today is Sunday, March 20th, and today's video is going to be a Stitch Fix unboxing as well as a try-on. I got the box yesterday. A little backstory, I did get a box beginning of March, and I was able to pick out all 5 items. We have that Stitch Fix preview to where they give you 10 items to pick from. You can pick 5 or none, or have your stylist just choose randomly for you. I did pick out all 5 items, including a really cute yellow purse. When I got the items, the purse was humongous and the clothing was way too big, so I sent everything back with a note to my stylist asking if she had like a pink or a yellow small to medium size summer bag to send that my way if she had one, and I was able to pick out 3 items this time. I can choose from 10, but I chose 3. So I'm going to share with you guys that as well as the pricing. So the note, we get an invoice sheet that has the prices as well as a style card that tells you how to style the items, and a note from your stylist. So it says, hey Stace, I did not have a medium size bag in pink or yellow. I had a small in yellow and a medium in neutral peach. I'm sending both so you can try them out. Tell me what you think. Check freestyle for more purse options if these don't interest you, or we can check next time. I'm glad you like 3 items from your Fix preview. Once you try them on, let me know what you think at checkout. It's warming up in Jacksonville, so you will love the West Key blouse. Make it sweet with jewelry or make it sassy with a jacket. The butter soft market and spruce top will take you anywhere, and you'll feel like you're wearing PJs. Before we say goodbye, a quick question for you: flats or booties, wedges or sandals? Do you have a preference or a closet need for one or more pairs? XO Ruthie. So let me share with you the clothing. And again, I did pick out these 3 items. So we got a pair of jeans, and these are the City Blues Jaylah Roll Cuffed Boyfriend Jean. I love the color. You can see that. They are cuffed at the bottom. They do have quite a bit of elastic in them, as you can see, which I do like. And I really do like the jeans, so I'm hoping they do fit. I think they might be a tad bit too big in the thigh area, but we will see. All right, then we have this shirt. This is the Market and Spruce, and the jeans, by the way, I also asked her to keep the prices down, and she did a really good job. The jeans are only $58. This shirt is $58 as well. These are the highest items in the box. This is the Market and Spruce Perine pocket hooded knit top. Really, really cute. Love the colors. It is really, really soft as well. So there's that. You can see the kangaroo pockets, and we have the back. And I do like that little stripe down the back, just for added detail. So that was $58. Then we have this shirt, which I'm excited about, but I think this might be a tad bit too big. This is the West Key Allan Surplice tie sleeve high-low blouse. This was $44. And I did pick this out. I love the colors. Just a floral print. I also love the half sleeve with the knots there for that little bit of detail. Now, do you see the front? It has a wrap style front, and then we have the back. Okay, so we have that one, and that was $44. All right, now let's talk about the handbags. This one here, this is the MODA LUXE Sammie Colorblock Tote in the color Peach Neutral. I do like this. It just has the one opening that has a magnetic snap closure. You can see it has a wall zip as well as 2 wall pockets there, but the whole outside of the bag is pockets. So we have a magnetic pocket here, a large pocket here, same on this side, a large pocket, and a large pocket that's also magnetic closed. I love the detail of the knots, as well as on the handles here. I love the little key fob that they added with the knot detail. So I really do like that one. Then my favorite is the yellow one. This is super, super cute. And again, it is buttery soft. That purse was $58. Yeah, $58 for the handbag. This one is $48. $48? Yes. No, $44. I'm sorry. Isn't that cute? It was buttery soft. I love the color. You guys know yellow is my favorite color. Again, a magnetic snap in the front. You have just an open pocket here. Then between that, you have like a little secret pocket for your phone. A zip in the back here that opens up. And it has a zipper there as well, so you can see there is a pocket. I really do like this. The only thing I don't like is the chain. The chain right here. So if I do keep it, what I will do is cut the chain off and just attach this to that, so it'll be more like that. And you can see adjust your straps. All right, so there's the bag, or there's the box. I'm going to go ahead and set up try everything on so you can see it, and I will come back and let you know what I'm keeping or what I think. Okay, this is outfit number one. This shirt and the pants. The pants actually fit me really good. There's a side, then we have the front. I do like them. They're a good cuff length. They go down to my ankles. And then we have the top. I love the shirt. I love the knotted detail. And you can see here we have this wrap in the front. I was worried it might be too low cut, but I actually really do like it. It's really soft, very light. So what do you guys think? Love the jeans. Again, there's the back side. Then we have the side, and then we have the front. And here's the back of the shirt. It does go down a little bit low, so it covers the whole butt area, but I do like it. Let me show you the purse to give you guys a visual of that, so you can see the length. I think right there is a good length, but again, I'm going to cut this if I do keep that. And then we have this purse as well, so you can see what that looks like, to give you guys an idea of the scale of that. All right, I'm going to change out my top and show you guys the other one. Okay, here's the last one, the shirt. You can see the kangaroo pockets here. There's the back. I love that stripe going down. It's a good length, very, very soft, lightweight. Again, good to wear in Florida when it gets a little bit cooler out. I love the ties in the front. Here is the hood. I don't wear the hood when I have these cut type of shirts, but I'm going to give you guys a visual. That's what the hood looks like. But, all right, super cute. I like it. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Let's go back and talk about prices and if I'm going to keep everything. All right, guys, I am back. Hopefully the try-on was okay for you. Now we're going to quickly talk about the prices. So we have the first purse. This is the MODA LUXE Sammie Colorblock Tote Color Peach, $58. I do like the bag a lot. I love all the pockets. I love how it's just one opening in there, so it makes items easy to find. So I definitely do like that one. Second purse was Urban Expressions Judith Clutch Color Yellow, $48. I love this purse. It is super soft, so I will keep it and I'll just eliminate the chain. I'll just attach that to that. You also have the handle that's also adjustable. I just love the size of that one. Then we have the West Key Allan Surplice tie sleeve high-low blouse. They have the color white, size extra large, 44. I do like this. It was very, very soft and very flowy and airy. I was nervous at first thinking the cut might have been too low, but I think it fit me fine. So I definitely do like that one as well. One I'm wearing, Market and Spruce Perine pocket hooded knit top. They have the color dark pink, size extra large, $58. I like this a lot. It's very, very soft, really comfortable, and it's not heavy. So if it's just like a cool day, I can wear this and not be too hot. So I definitely do like this, and it's super soft. Like the style set is like pajamas. All right, then we have the jeans. Mason & Belle Jaylah roll cuffed boyfriend jean, color navy, size 14, $58. I do like the jeans a lot. I thought they fit me really well. I was happy with the cuff length. I'm not a fan of cropped jeans, so they fit me to the ankle, so I definitely do like them. All right, so the overall price of the box was $266. If you do buy all 5 items, you save 25%. That would knock off $66.50. Order subtotal $199. $199.50. I think I'm going to keep all 5. You're basically getting 2 outfits and 2 purses. You can't beat that. So I thought, you know, I did ask my stylist to keep the prices low, and I think she did a pretty good job with that. So there's that. I will also have my my Stitch Fix referral link below. So if you've never tried it and you're just curious to see how it works, you can use that. You would get a $25 credit. I would also get a $25 credit. They do send you a mailer, so whatever, you know, they send you 5 items. If you don't like anything, you send everything back. So there's really no risk involved to try something out. If you do want to join Stitch Fix or try it, you know, more frequently, you can try it whenever you want. You know, you can do a box once a week, once a month, every 3 months, every quarter, once a year, whatever you like. It is a $20 charge for the stylist fee, but if you pick something from that box, that $20 would get credit toward anything you pick. So if you like the purse, that's $58, you pay $38 for it. I like it. I think the clothing is really nice. It's like on-trend clothing. And it kind of makes me go outside my box a little bit. So I do like it. All right, there you have it. Stitch Fix unboxing. This is my 13th Stitch Fix. Any questions, guys, let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.